Welcome to Devices Help and Support, your ultimate destination for all things related to the device's setup, troubleshooting and optimizing your tech experiences. In this video, we'll guide you through the simple steps to set up your TP Link AC2600 Wi-Fi range extender. Whether you're looking to boost your Wi-Fi signal or eliminate dead zones, we'll show you how to connect, configure, and position your extender for optimal performance. Follow along to enhance your home network and enjoy seamless internet coverage throughout your space. Firstly, we start with the unboxing, giving you the cleanest review of the product that what comes in the packet. Inside the TP Link AC2600 Wi-Fi range extender box, you'll find the extender unit itself, designed with external antennas for better signal strength. Along with the extender, there's a quick installation guide to help with setup, and a power adapter, if applicable. Some packages may also include an Ethernet cable for wired connections, depending on the model. So let's start the setup process. Connect the TP Link AC2600 range extender to a power outlet near your router. Wait for the power LED to turn solid. Now take an electronics device like laptop, smartphone or computer. On your computer or mobile device, go to the Wi-Fi settings and connect to the extender's default network, e.g., TP-Link_extender. On your connected device, open any web browser, like Chrome, Firefox, or Safari. Go to the setup page, type in the default URL tplinkrepeater.net or use the IP address, usually 192.168.0.254. Login, enter the default credentials, username, admin, password, admin. If prompted, create a new password for security. Once logged in, the setup wizard will automatically detect nearby Wi-Fi networks. Select your home network, the one you want to extend. Input the password for your main Wi-Fi network to allow the extender to connect. The extender will create a new extended network, which you can either keep as default or rename, for example, home_extended, or something similar. You can also change the password if desired. After entering the details, the extender will reboot to apply the settings. This might take a few minutes. After the setup is complete, unplug the extender and move it to a location halfway between your router and the area needing better Wi-Fi coverage. Make sure it's still within range of your main Wi-Fi signal. With these steps, your TP Link AC2600 Wi-Fi range extender should be fully set up, expanding your Wi-Fi coverage throughout your home. By following these steps, you can easily do the TP Link RE700X extender setup. In case you face any type of difficulty, you are free to contact our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. Our experts team will guide you. Thank you so much for watching our video. And lastly, don't forget to like, share and subscribe our your YouTube channel Devices Help and Support. Stay tuned for more updates.